Hello traders, here we are looking at the cable chart on the 1 hour time frame. We did enter on this trade where the blue line is and for the green line being the target, and we've banked in that and with profit, and also we did that similar to the DAX as well, as you can see on our P&L statement over here. These three trades that we've taken in terms of the cable, the DAX, and the euro dollar. Why do we take all these trades? Based on the combination of the SMI, VSA, and the stretch concept? We're going to be talking about this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets, Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. So here we are, traders, on the DAX chart over here. Let me just go through the GBP USD chart at the moment. Why did we actually take this over here? I'll tell you why in a minute. In fact, we just did around the clock trader webinar as well, where we were talking about this trade, and we caught this live in front of the attendees over there. So what we are doing over here is, if you can see, we got the SMI dot over here occurring over here, where this is the red bar which confirmed the top over there. After that, we had a little bit of a reversal with a green bar over here, and that's where we started to look to get in, okay, based on three concepts. First of all is the smart money indicator concept, right?
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
And the smart money indicator concept is all about, on the close of the confirmation bar which you got here, from there how much move is left. And to find that out, I do that over here. In terms of the stats table, I can see that it can travel more than 10 pips 76.79% of the time, and 20 pips only 59.22% of the time. So we chose something in the middle, which is 15 pips. So on the close of the bar, which is over here on this bar here, so that was 12288. So we did 15 pips from there, 12273, to take our target of that, which is what you can see over here. That one here, 12273, what we did. And in terms of the stop loss, we put it for the high of the green bar. So how did we enter actually here? We did not enter straight away on the red bar because it didn't align the daily time frame. So we waited for green bar, took the shot on the low of that green bar, stop loss for the high, and then target for this 15 pips from here, which can occur about 65 to 70% of the time. Okay, I can even show it to here on the stats chart. We can increase this by 5 pips, and let's find out what's the percentage of 15 pips over here. You can see 66% of the time, 67% of the time, very near to 70%, 15 pip occurs. That's what we did. Entry for here, stop loss for there, and target for here. That's how the stats really helps us in terms of knowing how much move is left, which we call open equity, as taught to us by the quants and the work that was started back in the 1960s. Okay, so that's on the stretch principle. We also overlaid a VSA on top. We also saw that it was a gray dot over here, which is a viable trade for us because it's aligning with the dot of the VSA, or the VSA diamond if you may call it. And finally, the stretch principle as well.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So if you were to take a look at the stretch principle over here, in terms of cable here, the stretch principle, all it means is that it was actually aligning towards a long because it took the upper stretch, which I've talked about before. But over here, we're taking a very small position towards the open equity distance. However, if you take a look at the DAX, which we also took as well, you can see over here, let me show it to you on the trading view chart over here. But if you take a look at the DAX chart over here, then what we are actually doing over here is we took it on the stretch principle. We had a smart money indicator confirming a bottom. VSA was not aligning, but the stretch principle was quite strong on that. So let me just show you over here. So the stretch principle was that it took out the upper stretch line, which you can see. Let me just take that out. The upper stretch line it did take out before, retrace back, right? And then continuation pattern over here, and that's where we entered. Okay, that's where we entered for a small profit, which we also based it on open equity as well, which is what got us our 286. Euro dollar, we didn't really trade further on with that because of time principle. We took our small profit and we came out of it because the signal wasn't very strong. Okay, so traders, I guess you got a rough idea on how we have been taking all of this based on basically looking at the SMI, the smart money indicator, the VSA principle, and also the stretch principle. All this you can also find out on our YouTube channel as well, how we are doing this, youtube.com/masterthemarkets. Also, another great place where you can actually learn a lot in terms of our terminologies and all that is the traderstarterpack.com website, where you can put this name, email address, and number, and you can find out more on a 5-day video course which will send to you for free, and you will find so much great material that you will never see anywhere online based on open equity, which is so important statistics for knowing upon point of entry how much move is left. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.